This is Jonah from Typewriter Minutes. We in the Typewriter Minutes family have been thinking about things that are really old. The pyramids of Giza, the Great Wall of China, the Parthenon, Machu Picchu. Is there anything else that is really old?
Our dad!
Hey, that's rude.
Welcome back to Typewriter Minutes. This is Sam. Today we're doing a review of an 1895 or so Pittsburg Visible.
So unfortunately, this machine is not ours. It belongs to Richard Molman, a typewriter collector up in Chicago. I know him through the typewriter Facebook collector group. He contacted me and said he was thinking about buying a machine in our area and wanted to know if we would pick it up, which we happily did. And it worked out well because I was driving that way anyway to pick up an Oliver 9. So within 15 minutes, I had both a late 1800s Pittsburg Visible and an early 1900s Oliver. And so we've been trying to figure out how to get this machine up from the Dallas area to Chicago. And Glenn Crookston, a fellow typewriter collector, volunteered to drive it up there. He is on the road and will be here in a few minutes actually. He is in Houston, drove to Austin yesterday for a typing event, and he is driving to Dallas from Austin right now, and then he's gonna drive it up to Richard. So we'll do a quick review. It's got this nice metal cover. It says Pittsburg Visible on the front. And there it is. It's a really old, like I said, I think 1895 or so machine. I wish it was ours. The decals on the front are in really good shape. I have not cleaned it or tuned it or done anything with it because it's not mine and I don't want to break it. I've never worked on anything quite like this. So I told Richard I'm not going to mess with it, but there's the space bar. I'll show you that it does advance, the keys work. And if you come up here, you got model number 10 decals in excellent shape. It's a little dusty. I haven't cleaned it, and I know when Richard's done with it, it's going to look like just about brand new. Up here, you got Pittsburg Visible. Platen looks to be in good shape for a machine that's this old. You got a, let's see what this is, ribbon shift. I haven't tried messing with it. This little key says ribbon shift. I don't know if that's to get the upper and lower case or if that's to get black and red. I don't know, because I'm not going to mess with it. It's just a really neat looking machine. It's bolted to this wooden base, which is also in excellent shape. If I lifted it up, you can see there's a couple recesses underneath. And you can see these bolts right here hold it down, and then that goes through to the bottom of the machine, and there's two little holes in the bottom of the base that you see when you turn it up. Here's fully protected by patents in the United States and in foreign countries. And I'm gonna take this top off so we can show you the back of the machine real quick. All right, so here we go. Got the morning sun in our face, but here's the back of the machine. It's got this really big bell, and the clapper's just kind of hanging there loose. I think when it scooches over, it just slowly comes up and bongs, but I don't know, I'm not gonna mess with it. But just a really amazing looking machine. The case has these two little cleats, one there and one there, and they go into these little cleat holders right there, so that's where it hinges on the back. And then the front of the case looks like it had a belt at one time. The belt is gone, but I'm sure that can be repaired. And we'll come around to this side of the machine now. So you can see it from all angles. A little dusty, but that wood base will clean up really nice. So like I said, I wish this was our machine. but it's going to be headed to Chicago in just a few minutes. So not something you see every day, definitely not something you see every day in the Typewriter Minutes household. Just really cool. All right, we'll finish up with just a few more details of the front. Really long type bars. You have to travel a country mile to get up there and hit the platen.
And before we go, we just want to say to keep your machine clean. And also, be sure to share, link, like, and subscribe.